Follow-up question on vacuuming your pool. I tried to vacuum on waste, but the suction is too weak. What should I do?
It sounds to me like you have a problem either in the pump or in the suction line, because on waste you should be able to get better flow versus less flow, because there's less back pressure and the pump should be able to run more optimally. What I would do is I would first check the impeller on the pump and make sure there's no debris in there. And what you'd want to do with that is shut the system off, open up the pump, take the pump lid out and the basket out, and reach in and see if you can feel all the way up inside the pump. You might be able to hopefully get your fingers in far enough to be able to feel the impeller. And it's like a plastic thing. There'll be ridges on it. Feel if there's any debris in there. And then secondly, the more likely scenario is if you're trying to vacuum on waste, you have less restriction on the pressure side, which means the pump is pulling a lot harder, and likely you're drawing air in somewhere around the front of the pump, either the lid itself, or where the pipe threads into the front of the pump, or if there's a valve there or anything else. But likely because the pump is being able to run at full speed, it's probably pulling really hard, and the net result is it's drawing air in as well. Draws air in, then it appears to lose suction, and then it draws air in, and then so it kind of cycles. It starts to work and stops, starts to work and stops, and that's more likely the case. In this scenario, that's more likely the case.